Okay, I want to do a quick recording for you guys after we had the training this morning. I'm going to go in and choose one of my test classes that I have available to me. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate over to that tab that says grading. And you'll notice when you click on the tab that it looks a little bit different. This is the same place that we went when we were pushing out our Q1 grades, but now it looks a little different to accommodate the fact that we need to push out comments. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my boilerplate or my standard comment that I want to add to each of these students' comment box, if you will. So I'm going to click on Add to All. And here I've been working on it in Word, so I'm going to just paste it in here. It's going to let me know that I need to do this first. So if I want to add individual comments, I can, but I need to make sure that I do my boilerplate first because it will override anything that is currently on the student's comment area. So I'll click Save and Close. Now when I click on Edit next to each of my students, you'll see my boilerplate information's been added. I can then add additional information here. I can also see the student's grade, so the grade that they received for Q1 if I want to have that for reference. Now, here is where this is kind of an important step. We want to make sure that we do, if we're continuing on in entering information for the rest of the students, I would want to click on the Save and Next button. The reason I want to do that is it lets me know that my information has been saved. If I was to just click on Next Student, it wouldn't make any changes or keep any changes that I had made on my previous student. So I want to just make sure that I enter information. I click on Save and Close. And here it's letting me know if I just hover over it, I can see, okay, I've entered information here. This one, if I go back, if I want to go back in, I can add info as well, and then just make sure you click on Save and Close. Remember that if you start to add a comment in and you decide to walk away for, say, an hour and you come back, the system will have logged you out. So it's a good practice to always click that Save and Close. If you're going to be leaving, you can always go back in by just clicking on Edit. Again, when we're completely finished, I would simply click that Review All button, and this lets my advisor know that now it's available for them to view, and they can go in and double check and catch any typos I may have put in. I hope this was helpful. Keep up the good work, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions.